So I want to talk about the advanced training coming up. This segment of the advanced artistry, I believe we're calling it, is going to be a lot about how to create an advanced session. What is that? That is furthering things beyond kind of what you learned in school, how to create one session, a small series of session, or even within the series, how to tips that are going to be like advancing your series, getting more down to kind of like some of the core issues in the sessions and kind of eliminating some of the fluff. Why would you want to become an advanced practitioner? Well, I think you definitely want to be as competitive as possible in a kind of an advanced area where people have a lot of different skills. You want to set yourself apart, but also, just to offer your clients as best of services, as many options, as much knowledge and transformational bodywork as possible. And we're going to be doing lots and lots of kind of digging down deep into kind of how to create a session, doing lots of trades and hands-on, making like little demos and tips. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And if you are just needing more kind of hands-on refresher, or the work's feeling a little bit stale, or you just want to get together with this amazing community and learn and grow, come hang out with us. It's going to be a lot of fun at a beautiful time of the year at the Institute.